JavaScript holds a firm ground today as one of the most popular programming languages. Nowadays, every developer uses a certain set of JavaScript tools, and in reality, there are no best tool in regard to efficiency. It all depends upon the task at hand. And before we present the list, it is worth distinguish between term frameworks, libraries, and tools in the context of software development. Framework, an abstraction that provides a standard way to make application a large portion of functionality like events, data binding, storage, for example, Node, Angular. Library uses a collection of certain functionality including events, cookies, network request, for example jQuery, socket IO, Bootstrap are famous libraries. Tool are smallest assistants to make the development process easier in terms of issues like performance, maintenance, things like compilers, image compressors, task runners. Some JX examples are Browserify, JSLint, Mocha. Thus distinction can be tricky sometimes but also help navigate the JavaScript ecosystem. React is a JS library introduced by Facebook engineers in 2011 and then released as an open source. React.js offers new ways to render web page, a dynamic UI, high performance, and several other advantages. One of the key benefits is reusability of code components, which is especially useful and a time saver when dealing with system upgrades. Components are isolated and do not cause change in each other. Express, a minimal set web framework, allows Java developers build websites with the help of Node. Node.js in turn is JavaScript runtime environment using JS on the server. Express.js is stable, fast, and to the point. It simply provides a robust tooling for HTTP servers, and that's the beauty of it. It features routing, high test coverage, HTTP helpers, fast execution, view system supporting multiple engines, and general apps. Angular is a JavaScript MVC type framework powered by Google. It helps writing client-side application. It supports HTML and enables accurate structuring when components work interconnected. With Angular, developer do not have to write database, user interface, and links. Model view controller separately. The framework takes perfect care of that. In simple terms, Angular is a popular and single solution to produce modern web apps, typically single page apps. It is the part of already standard mean stack and is being constantly updated. Main benefits of Angular are cross-platform, automatic code splitting, command line tools, ready for unit testing, two-way data binding. When it comes to desktop apps, Electron framework has been gaining traction recently as a fine tool to build cross-platform application and website. Electron is based on Node.js and Chromium engine and supports the whole HTML, JS, CSS pack. Nice example of apps on Electrons are Slack, Docker, and even GitHub Desktop. It is publicly available as well as compatible with Windows, Macintosh, and Linux system. The framework includes pre-built demo apps APIs, debugging with Chromium tools, the ability for unit tests inside the environment, and safe code distribution.